Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an appeal for VA disability. First, understand the three main appeal options: supplemental claim, higher-level review, and board appeal. Each lane has specific requirements and benefits. Choosing the right one is crucial for your success. Gather all necessary evidence, including medical records and personal statements, to strengthen your case. This preparation is key to a successful appeal process. The supplemental claim lane is ideal if you have new and relevant evidence that was not previously considered. This could include new medical diagnoses, additional doctors' opinions, or buddy statements. Submitting this new information allows the VA to reevaluate your claim with a more complete picture. This process can lead to a new decision based on the updated evidence you provide. For a higher-level review, a senior claims rater will review your existing evidence and decision for errors. No new evidence is allowed here. If you disagree with that outcome or prefer a direct review, you can appeal to the Board of Veterans' Appeals. Here, a veterans law judge will make a decision. You can choose a direct appeal, submit new evidence, or request a hearing. To maximize your chances, seek assistance from a veterans service organization. They offer free, expert guidance throughout the appeal process. Always be thorough and organized with all your documentation, ensuring everything is clearly presented. Remember, persistence is key. Also, for a smarter home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Don't miss out on these fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.